See that bumper? We're taking it off. First, you gotta pull the taillight out. That video is there, but I'm gonna show you how to do it with this one because we gotta get the bumper off. So, pull this guy off. And there are 4, just like this one, 8 mils that we're gonna crack. Just crack them. Watch. Just crack them. Because they're so fine thread, you just take them off with your finger. And you're gonna do all 4 like that. Because we gotta get this bumper off. Chat. We're gonna work our way around, and then we unplug. It makes it so much easier. So let's go crack these guys and get this taillight out. Do not drop them. There is a hole. It's like a bottomless pit back there. Just like I lost a wire. We gotta find the wire. That's easier though. We already cracked these guys, so let's get this guy out. I'm gonna feel around and get to the 4th bolt. 4. And then we pull. Let's get this guy up out of our way because we gotta get the bumper off. So now, bolt, pins, pins, pins. Same over here. Bolt, pin, pin, pin. And I'm sure there's gonna be more back here. These are actually screws. Another screw right there. Push pin. And whatever else is on the bottom. So let's start taking the stuff apart. So with that, check out 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's get the push pins out. Let's start taking this guy apart. Alright, so everything's out. Started pulling. These just come out. This goes over. This comes out. Now, like the Sportage, an idiotic alligator clip right there. But I think they do that purposely so you can unplug these guys so you don't break anything. Because this is all attached to the actual bumper. Same with these guys. You got sensors right there. Sensor right there. Another one. Here's your blind spot. So let's undo that and see if this whole bumper comes off. Alright, so that is your blind spot sensor. Now I took it off because I didn't know how to get this clip off. Got it with that guy. So squeeze this. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to put this guy back. You didn't need to do this, but I couldn't see. Look, it's on the back side. Thanks, guys. Make it easier on us. Watch. It's on the back side. The stupid clip's on the back side. You see? On the back side. So now that we know how to take it off, I'm going to put it back on and pretend we're never here. Alright, so you ready for this idiocy? So past the stupid, right? Got this guy out of the way. All pushies. You have to pull this down to expose. Look at this. There's a clip right there. Clip right there. We have to pull just far enough down to put these guys back in. Now, I don't know. Is it me? But this one I found and it is no longer there. So let's pull them out and get the stupid bumper off. So I don't know who designs this stuff, but there you go. Why are they where you can't see them? And then the stupid bracket's right there. So how do you get this from underneath there if you have this hidden? Stupid, right? Stupid. So that is no longer being put on because that's Hyundai. So all this stuff holding it in place, there you have it. Just undo these guys, probably from the bottom, probably would have been easier. You can get it from the top. I still got to put this guy back, which is somewhere over here. There he is. But there's your bumper. There is no easy way that I see. These are actually for the license plates. So I'm going to change those as well. So there you have it. So put everything back the way you got it, and I'm going to show you how to put it back on. So while holding it in place, remember to plug it back in. Plug that one. We got the 2 for license plate lights. Got those plugged back in. Now let's get everything up and over so it can. Well, it was still recording while I had you down, I think. And everything lines back up. Don't be afraid. It will pop back in. See that? See that? We were never here. Now the worst of it is going to be putting them stupid 3 brackets back in. See that? They all line back up. Those 3 little push pins, yeah, they're going to be fun. Let's put them back in and see how hard that is. Now these guys, I suggest wearing eye protective wear because these are stupid. And you need both hands to match them up. See, gotta match that up. What kind of dumb idea? Now, if I was an installer who didn't care, I wouldn't put these back on. Wouldn't even care because it's stupid. That's why. So we're gonna probably put these guys back in first. Make sure these guys line back up so it doesn't move while we pull this guy back to put these guys back in. Let's see if we can even do it. So very carefully, Wesley, I did get one back in. If you can see that. Can you? It's in there. Left this out. Both hands. Listen, if it was your car, I wouldn't even bother. I'm gonna put one here because I lost one here anyway. So let's pretend that we're looking at it again. You see? It's stupid. Look, how you do this? This one I'm gonna leave out. This one I can get to. And I'm gonna get my hand in there and put it in there. So I'm gonna put the tail lights back in, put everything back, and show you that it's all over with. You ready for this? Yes, I got it back in. So some patience. That one is not going back in. The one right in the middle. Nope. You see it over there? Not doing it. So let's go put this puppy back and call it a day. So this one's back 100%. We're gonna say sayonara. We were never here, buddy. See that? We're gonna put this guy back. As should you. I mean, it's up to you, but either way. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Focus! There you go. Thanks for watching.